This is the 9 Minutes Report for this Thursday, May 13th, 1993. Good evening, everybody. I'm Peter Wiggins, and here's what's happening. President Clinton's tax increase passed a big test plan, and Congress says the House Ways and Means Committee approved the main elements in tax. People of all income levels would be facing important charges of changes under the tax proposal. President Clinton has planned a new offensive to sales budget. Consumer prices jumped 0.4% in April, twice as fast as had been predicted. The increase unsettled the stock and bond market expectations for lower inflation this year and ended hopes for further Fed rate cuts. The contest over which high-definition TV system should be the national standard has become a political ball over which system would create the most jobs. McDonnell Douglas executive was named to head the Federal Aviation Administration by President Clinton. In markets, Treasury prices fell sharply and yield on the 30-year bond rose to its highest level in more than a month. The reaction to news of higher consumer inflation leaves the Fed with a dilemma. Gold prices rose to the highest level since late 1991 amid inflation fears and speculative activity in the commodities markets. The dollar advanced against most leading currencies. Stocks fell with all the major indexes dropping in heavy trading. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 3.32 points to 3,447.99. The new French cabinet unveiled a tough trade policy reputation in a transatlantic agreement on limited farm subsidies that was reached in November. The German central bank president rejected a sledgehammer approach to lowering interest rates. Spain and Portugal devalued their currency, shaking Europe's embattled monetary system anew. The president must decide if the U.S. should risk access to China's economy for political ideals.
Respiratory disease imported from the Middle East.
GM and its unfunded pension liability could increase as much as $6 million to $6 billion in interest rates continue to stay low, and that they may have to take a $1.8 billion charge against equity. Sears sold Coldwell Banker by senior management and the Fremont Group, an investment company. Fox announced a station lineup for the Chevy Chase show, which posted a challenge to Paramount's Arsenio Hall show. Payne Weber is sued by Senator Bond of Missouri, who judged he lost $1 million for the blind trust that he managed. Sales of domestically produced vehicles rose 3.2% in early May, extending the automobile recovery. GPA bonds more than doubled but fell from their highs amid skepticism over the deal with General Electric. CompUSA announced a decentralized corporate structure admit to the top management changes, including a new chairman. The Justice Department will meet with the TV network to discuss the position on network rerun rights. Fleet Securities was dismissed as an underwriter of New York City bonds because of a possible conflict of interest. CBS offered Major League Baseball a contract extension as team owners took no action on the deal with ABC and NBC. Wall Street favorable feelings toward GM stock could evaporate if the automaker fails to win labor concession in upcoming contract talks. Last original episode of Cheers will command $650,000 for each 30-second commercial and entertainment program record. That's almost around the ballpark of the Super Bowl. Stocks Dow Jones closed at 34,479.99, down 34.32. Dow 111.80 yen, up 25 yen. Oil 1978 down 42 cents, and bond 6.95% up 0.10%. That's coming in with the 9 Minutes Report for this May 13th, 1993 on a Thursday. Peace and have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.